Today, we're going to make a drink that might be a little sour for me.
Yeah. Some of us are fine with
But you might really like it.
You will. Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Danny and Derek will make for you a cocktail. This cocktail is called Cadillac Margarita, and I'm going to give you the recipe right up front because I keep waiting.
Just boom, getting right into it.
Right into it. I'll get all the good stuff done right away, then I just...
And then we just watch it.
Yeah, jerk off for an hour. Ounce and a half of Reposado Tequila, 1 ounce of Grand Marnier or whatever your favorite cognac orange liqueur is, 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Done.
That's so simple.
Commence jerking.
We have a pink Cadillac.
The pink Cadillac Margarita has a cranberry juice, and everything else I think is kind of like a margarita.
I think so.
It's kind of like a lemonade version. I don't know. It's pink. There is something else different about it.
Did we make this at some point though?
No. This is why I was also slightly confused because we must have done this before.
We've never made this?
No.
Come on.
No. We've made the Cadillac,
crazy.
pink Cadillac Margarita or whatever.
We made the golden
times.
Cadillac.
We've made a golden Cadillac.
Made all colors.
The
of
rusty
Cadillacs.
Cadillac. Remember when what did we drink out of the car?
That's a move.
That's bourbon. The
Oh, that was
over in the
bourbon.
corner, yeah.
Rusty Cadillac.
The beat up Cadillac.
This is so.
The downtrodden Cadillac.
I had this set up, and then I was like, wait a minute. I went through. I was like, Cinco De Mayo is coming up, so this will go out a couple days before Cinco de Mayo. Seemed like a good time.
Yeah, why not?
Because it's the Mayo of, it's the Cinco of May.
Yeah.
So you gotta have a tequila drink. And the basically the premise is, why is this different than a standard margarita? Cadillacs are fancy, so think how do you up the thing and make it?
You
fancy?
gotta make it better.
You use Reposado because it's a higher class. It's just different, really, but slightly more aged. We're using Sampray because they kick ass, and the inclusion of the instead of just using
margarita. No, I guess not.
No, I don't think this one.
That's what it says.
Wow.
Because it's more of a.
Well, and you could have floated the Grand Marnier.
And you could
over
float
the
the Grand Marnier and get it on top. But the Grand Marnier is kind of like it's a cognac, a rich version of orange liqueur. Therefore, it is a elevated cocktail that makes itself in Cadillac form.
Kind of looks like orange juice.
That fit?
Yeah.
Orange juice?
The drink.
It's like weak orange juice. More like somebody drank a lot of beer.
It looks like a Belgian white.
Yeah, it does. Kind of.
Yeah. Which has orange in it.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like you can easily batch that up into a large quantity.
Oh, it's tart.
Tart? The lime?
It's very margarita-ish. I don't know.
No, I mean it's definitely margarita-ish. It's like missing that.
Might be a little heavy
sugar?
in the lime.
Yeah, it's like missing because there's no sugar.
Yeah, it's like it's almost like
balance the line.
it's like a spirit forward with juice type drink where they fuck sugar.
Oh shit!
Sugar's for weak.
I would drink it, but ugh.
I didn't think it was that sour. And
No, I don't think it is either. But Dan has a sensitivity to sour, and we know
Yeah,
that.
but
It's not
usually
sensitive, damn it.
it's typically lemon.
No, but it is. It's a little.
I'm not
like,
saying your butt hurt about it. I'm just saying
It's more sour
your
than the
flavor
last
receptors
ones.
are more
Right. It's going to be more sour than everything else we've had.
adverse to it.
Hold on.
I have had really sour lime. Lime can be pretty tart. And I've had some pretty tart lime drinks, and that's not as bad as some of those tart lime drinks.
No, just
You're not gonna give it
doesn't.
to
I don't think. I'm not driving the Cadillac. I love margaritas.
It's not that one.
It's all right.
It doesn't. I could totally see this could make a good blended drink
Yeah.
because then you're having water in it would water it down a lot more. No, huh? You're.
It's just too sour
It's
for
coming back
me.
in. You over and over. You're like, maybe it's not too bad.
I tried. See, I keep going. I'll keep going. It's. I don't know.
Our executive producer, Stephan Foisy. This one's for you, Stephan. You can go make this drink. Show him that.
Come
he
on,
doesn't know what he's
I
talking
see
about,
Stephen make a lot of drinks,
and then go put it on your Instagram and say Dan Bro
51.
51.
Yeah.
This drink isn't as sour as you made it.
Yeah, it is. It's sour.
You little bitch.
Like it feels. I can feel it right here. Like it's sour.
Maybe it's the lime.
I can feel it in my face.
Even though it's the same lime we used all
I can feel it in my face.
the other week, like last week.
How do we counter the sour?
You
Sweet. That's it.
you have Dan not drink it. Yeah,
It just needs like a. You know what it is? Is a Grand Marnier. It just isn't like sweet. Like
sweet
It's not
enough.
enough.
sweet enough for me.
So you wouldn't like the
I don't drive a Cadillac, so I'm okay.
Yeah, he doesn't like the poofy seats. He wants like
Yeah.
the hard leather seats.
I mean, that is definitely not like a smooth ride.
That's true.
That's like, the sunshine in my face.
It's a smooth ride with the sun
Yeah,
right
the
where
sun's like in
you
your
just
face.
can't get the
It's
little
like the
visor
view we
down.
all have behind the camera that no one else can see all the lights.
Like, do you think this is better than like your standard margarita?
Nah, I don't know. I'm not like a huge margarita guy. I'll drink them, but like
So we've
If you made it with what's the orange,
the dry curacao.
the dry
I've
curacao.
had dry curacao ones that were pretty good, but they also had the agave in it too.
right. I mean, the minute you put agave nectar in here, you have a margarita.
Yeah.
It's just weaker because there's not as much tequila.
Yeah, I'll try it again.
So one thing about sour, it keeps making you come back.
Yeah. Yep, he's gonna be suffering some more. So there you go. You guys try it. Leave a comment down below. Everybody should be able to build this one out. I would guess you can get access to those.
Well, that one
ingredients.
wasn't as bad.
It's growing on him.
Well, it's not diluting anymore.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's not diluting, so
No.
maybe I'm just getting used
No,
to
I-
it. See,
You know what it was? We haven't had anything sour yet, so your taste buds
That's
had
what
to
I'm saying.
acclimate.
true. And because I just got done drinking that other drink
Right,
too,
which is
Which
sweet.
is
and it
spirit.
was like sweet and herbally, and
Herbally,
yeah.
Maybe there's a big
So
clash
maybe I
there.
threw it off.
So
Try it again, see if it's
Let me
still
try
good.
again.
So, if you're gonna order something like this at the bar, just don't drink something sweet before it, or add Amaretto to it.
All right, it's coming.
Order two. The first one you'll hate. The second one you're gonna love.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't say love.
Well, you might
I
be riding it.
I would say you can deal with it. You know, it's like
You said this is a Ford Focus
it's still not
margarita.
like super smooth.
That's the Ford Focus margarita.
Yeah.
So that was, I still have from Pirate King. So there you go. Give it a try. Write your comments down below. Tell us if Dan's right or wrong, and how many it took you before you realized that Dan
Yeah,
was
try it. You try it. You tell me.
wrong. Yeah.
I think it's a little sour. They like it.
There's a sidebar over there that's going to have all kinds of tequila drinks for you for Cinco de Mayo and all those other holidays that involve drinking tequila. And that's it. We're teaching you how to drink.